Tuteyam Pethamang Saranang Gacchami Tuteyam Pesankhang Saranang Gacchami Tuteyam Pesankhang Saranang Gacchami Tuteyam Petputhang Saranang Gacchami Tuteyam Petputhang Saranang Gacchami Tuteyam Pethamang Saranang Gacchami Tuteyam Pethamang Saranang Gacchami Tuteyam Pesankhang Saranang Gacchami Tuteyam Pesankhang Saranang Gacchami Sarana Kehanang Paleponang Amyapante Tipata Veda Mani Sikaha Patang Samati Jiyami Pata Tipata Veda Mani Sikaha Patang Samati Jiyami Dia Tiam Dio Veda Mani Sikaha Patang Samati Jiyami Atania Tiam Dia Veda Mani Sikaha Patang Samati Jiyami Kami Sok Bacaha Cara Veda Mani Sikaha Patang Samati Jiyami Kami Sok Bacaha Cara Veda Mani Sikaha Patang Samati Jiyami Savitya Veda Mani Sikaha Patang Samati Jiyami Musa Veda Veda Mani Sikaha Patang Samati Jiyami Veda Jamaca Pamatya Tahana Veda Mani Sikaha Patang Samati Jiyami Sobrame Raya Maca Pamatya Tahana Veda Mani Sikaha Patang Samati Jiyami Mani Panca Sikaha Patang Nisa Tukang Tapa Apa mate ne Lecak Kalang Sama Rakai Tapeng Amyapante Selena Sokatang Yante Selena Poka Sampatia Selena Naputang Yante Tasma Selang Wisao Theat Je Satu Satu Satu
Well, you're an amazing papa, not just to me, but to them as well. And you've really influenced so many people around you in a positive way, Papa. I'll do my best to be a positive influence for those around me as well. So, Papa, please, you don't have to worry about any of us anymore. Our siblings will take care of each other and will make you proud. So, I pray that you can rest peacefully. If there is such thing as an afterlife, I pray with every fiber of my being and soul that you have a loving family who will love you as openly as you love me. I pray that you will be in a prosperous environment with good health, good friends, and no worries of war, no worries of ever being famished, and no worries of ever fearfully losing a loved one. I love you so much, Papa. Everyone here loves you, and thank you so much again for everything you've done for me and everyone around you and everyone else. I will always be grateful to you, Papa, always and forever. While I'm also up here, I want to thank everyone for coming. I know my papa is happy to see everyone here for him, and that means everything to me. And I have one last thing to say. If anyone right now is hurting from depression, I plead for you to reach out to someone if you haven't already. There's so many people around you that would rather help you than to leave you suffering alone in silence. If you feel like there's no one, please talk to me afterwards, and we can keep in touch. I want everybody here to know that they're not alone. And these are not empty words coming from me. I know this is personal, but I went through depression as well, and I've contemplated taking my own life a long time ago. But I'm really happy that I didn't do it. I'm happy that I have loving family and friends around me. I'm very lucky and blessed. But especially now being on the receiving end of this pain, I don't want anyone to go what we're going through right now. So please remember to take care of yourselves, everyone. And please remember to be kind to those around you, as you never know what they're going through. Thank you again, everyone, for coming today. I can never appreciate my gratefulness enough. Thank you. That's it for me. Thank you.
behalf of my family and myself, I want to express our deepest gratitude for your presence at Chandranath's funeral. Your kindness and support during this difficult time have meant the world to us. Your willingness to go out of your way to help and comfort us is truly appreciated. Thank you, everyone. My dad was an honest and kind-hearted man, and once you will always remember. He will put our need before his own, and fully committed to helping anyone, no matter how big or small. And sometimes a small thing can go by unnoticed. For example, he would carry all the water bottle and snack in his drawstring bag whenever he goes on a family trip. I refused to help when they offered to carry it, or when he found a fly or insect in our home, he would spend the time to capture it and guide it out the door. Or when he helped my mom doing chores around the house, chopping meat and vegetables for my mom to cook. Or rubbing with my mom. He would make sure that I have a good shoe and clothes to wear in high school, and so I don't feel left out by the other kids. Not only he was a great husband, he was a great father. But your presence will be deeply missed. Thank you for being the best father we could ever ask for. Rest in peace, knowing that your legacy and love and compassion will live on in our heart forever. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Please have a seat. ជាចូលកម្មវិធីទី2គឺសូមអញ្ជើញលោកតាទៅថាដើម្បីដឹកនាំបងប្អូនយកបាននមស្ការនិងសមាធិនៃសិស្សសូមអញ្ជើញ
បាទតែសូមជឿឲ្យលោកសពរកស្រីដែលអាចធ្វើបទនមស្ការបានហើយសូមជាមួយខ្ញុំបាទដូចតទៅតាមសំគូនិយាយក្នុងឱកាសនេះបាទណាដើម្បីជាបុណ្យកុសលទៅជួយដល់លោកទូច័ន្ទរតនៈហាក់ដែលក្រុមគ្រួសារទាំងអស់បានប្រតិបត្តិពិធីបូជាសពក្នុងឱកាសនេះបាទ นะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโต